and I'm going to be doing a Rubik's Cube unboxing. I have a few cubes here, and I'm going to save a pretty good one till last. I'll just leave it at that for now. So, let's get into this. So, first of all, I've got this, a 4x4 windmill. Honestly, it's not opening normally, so rip it open. Oh my gosh. Actually, that turn isn't that bad. Basically, all the windmill is it's a Rubik's Cube. However, like it changes shape and colour. So it's quite an interesting one. I'll definitely have a bit of fun trying to solve, but wait, it won't be that hard. It's just a 4x4 basically with different stuff. I'll make a video solving all of these. Actually, no, I'll just go live in a few weeks because one of them will take a bit too long for a video. Ah yes, it says difficulty 4 out of 5 stars. I don't care about that, especially because two of them have spaces and one of, oh my gosh, just no. So yeah, this sounds pretty good. Parity is going to be annoying. No, I'm not even trying parity. I'm just going to move on to the next one, which is quite an interesting one. How long ago was this? Because it's got somebody holding a 3x2 of 4.7. Right, well anyway, 2x2 mirror cube. There you go, how does this turn? Feels weird just because the way it is, but this one's going to take a bit less time, so I'll do a solve now. I'm not sure how long this is going to take though, but it shouldn't take too long. Alright, now I need to figure out how that goes in. Does that match there? Yes it does. That matches there. Then you've got, then, well, it's harder than I thought. Alright. Come on, just say. I'll definitely have to get used to this one. I'm just gonna honestly use beginner mission. So yeah, that was actually quite a long solve. Sorry about that. That confused me. But this 2x2 mirror cube doesn't turn bad whatsoever. Talking of mirror cubes, I have another one, the 4x4 mirror cube. Oh my gosh, just honestly, rip the box. It's not gonna come out and alright, good. The box is in silver, and I wanted it in gold, so I'm glad it came in gold. Just looks nicer. Hold on, if I open it on both sides, surely I can just push it out easier. Yeah. This is quite a big one. Why does it feel like this is... Alright, well either way. Parity is gonna be annoying. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be a fun one. Not. But wow. Cool, I guess. But I have a pretty big one. Yeah. This one is certainly going to be interesting. A 13 by 13. Oh my god. My biggest one currently is a 6x6. Oh my gosh, this is massive. Oh my god. Checkerboard, that's quite a classic Rubik's Cube pattern. Oh my god. This is not going to be a fun one to solve. I just did 2 layers and accidents. It's so hard to get the right number of layers. I thought this would be a piece of cake. This is hard. Oh. Right, there you go. Cubers often just upload videos like with the little tiny bits of the solve. Like, this is so annoying. Just to do a checkerboard. Oh, but oh, that looks good though, so I want to do it. Alright. I'm just scared it's gonna pop because this costs like 90 quid. I just got it for Christmas, so recording this on Christmas, I just got it. So this better not pop on me. A couple of the pieces are loose, but they don't seem to pop, at least for now. Hopefully hopefully it doesn't actually pop, but I just want to get a full-on checkerboard. Oh, I'm still here. Yeah, at least I got a checkerboard. Whatever happens now, I can say I've done a checkerboard on a 13x13. That looks pretty awesome. Now I think let's solve it. I'll just cut the video because it took a while. I messed it up, but I managed to fix it without it actually scrambling. This is insane though. Wow. I mean, I can't really complain. It's pretty awesome. 13x13. I wasn't. I don't know what I was picturing, but it wasn't this, and it's pretty big too. Even though I know it's only 10 centimeters, or 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Oh my gosh, that is just wow. Hold on, I might need to check which priorities it has. Is it like a 6x6 where it's got both 5x5 and 4x4 combined? I reckon my trick for figuring it out, I'm not sure how well this works actually on these cubes, but it worked for me on 6x6. If you can do a solve as if it's another cube, that typically means it's got that parity. I'm assuming since it's got a odd number, you can't do it like a 4x4. Like, evenly? No, you can't, because it has to be split down the middle, which means an even number cube you can, an odd number cube you can't. But you can definitely do a 5x5. There's different ways you could do it. You could do 3 in the middle. You could do 3 threes in the middle with 2s on the outside. So yeah, it'll have the parity like a 5x5, but that should be it, I think. If my method works, for figuring that out. Yeah, that'll be interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna do a couple of the patterns. So, I'll just show you the patterns when they're done. So, I'd say I chose a pretty good pattern. Oh my gosh, this looks awesome on the 13x13. Wow. Now, there's one more thing I'm gonna do. Don't want to do any more patterns. I gotta do the cube. My storage space had better not run out on me again while I'm doing this. Right, I'm literally scrambling a 13 by goddamn 13. 13 by 13. And I'm scrambling it right now. Me in 10 minutes might not be happy with me now, but oh well. I don't care. Hold on, I'm just gonna cut the video. Yeah, my 13 by 13 is scrambled. Hold on, that bit's not just. So, why did I do this? I don't know, but, I guess it's on me. It's my problem, I'm the one who did it. Yes, so I'm gonna solve this at some point. So, have a good day, and, yeah, wish me luck. Please like and subscribe, and, yeah, have a good day. And I'm gonna upload the next video.